Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the Live Trading Alert Room. Today is Thursday, February 13th. Today we had two trades in the ES. We had one small loser and we had one pretty nice size winner. I'm going to go over what we did. And the first trade we took here was right when the market opened. I said that this would be a pretty aggressive trade. I said just because it is market on open, but I felt that the market was going to keep coming down a little bit more. Probably should have waited in hindsight, but you know, sometimes you just feel like you know it's the right thing to do. So what I said was we're going to go small with this. We don't go full size during market on open trades. That's just part of our general rules. If we're going to take them. And we got short, I told people 450, 5, anywhere around here where this box is, whatever you can get, let's go short. Or, which a lot of people did, we can wait for this candle to close. So there's a lot of people that weren't even in the trade. I said if it closes above 5/4, I said the trade's done. If we're in and it closes above 5/4, we'll just get out of the trade. We don't have to take a full 2-point stop. Normally we trade with a 2-point stop in the ES. So our stop was at 2 points, but once it closed above, we just got out of the trade. So depending on where you got in, a point, 1.25, maybe 1.5 points max would have been the loss, depending on where everybody got entered different spots. So that would have been, and that would have been on half of a position, if that. Third of a position, half of a position. So it was a very small loser in relation to things. And those happen every once in a while. So market came back up. I knew we were going higher. We got in here at 1811 where this green arrow is. We went long. And I said that the market should be able to make it up to the 16/4 range into this box. I said that this was going to be a rough area for them to get through, so no surprise if they sell it down a little bit and go. I said this would be a nice spot to take profits, okay, if you want, or we're going to wait for a material change in the marketplace. I said there absolutely was no material change. There was no material reason to get out of the market completely. If you only have one contract left and you wanted to take 5 points on your trade, for some of your stuff, that's fine. Otherwise, if you wanted to try to hold, which some people did, we would put our stop and see what happens. The market came back down, never would have stopped anybody out, came back up, and once it started coming back up here again, I said that the next target and the next stop would be around 9/4, 9 area, 950, right where this box is right here. And I said that 20 is where they ultimately wanted to go. Now they made it up to 1950 on these two candles, and I said most people should just get out there. I just said it's enough. We were in from 11, 9, anywhere 875, 9, or whatever. That's a good 8-point trade, and everybody should be happy with that. Still was convinced they were going to make it up to the 20. In fact, I had the 20 up here the whole time. They did make it up to the 20 over here, but it never really went further than 20 too much. A little bit point past that or whatever. At least before the room closed, which was at 11 o'clock Central Time, right around here was where we closed up shop. So that was pretty much the high of the day. It's all the market had to do, at least for the morning session. Now they did, obviously they went higher here, but the room was long closed. And that was the day. So we had one small loser, one really nice size winner, and we're going to come back tomorrow. We're going to do it again. Head over to www Futures Trading Coach. You can check out our free trial, and we'll see you guys back tomorrow. Bye-bye.